Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing some very special customized jewelry from Rellery. And Rellery is a really great company, only because their quality and their products is really great. And so I'm on their website now, and I'm actually gonna be reading off some really unique, important things about their company, just so you guys can get like a feel of why or if you would want to shop there. So all of their jewelry is customizable. They have rings, they have necklaces, they have earrings, they have bracelets. Like, they have any jewelry, all the jewelry that you love, that you wear every day, but you can customize all of it. And when I say customize it, I mean you could do your name, your initials, your kids' names, your dog's names, birthdays, like all the things. And it's very trendy, stylish jewelry. One of the many reasons I love the company is because of the quality of their like metals. They only use the finest metals. They don't use any copper at all, and they're nickel free, which is very important because if you guys are jewelry fans like myself, I'm obsessed with jewelry. If there's ever nickel or copper in your jewelry, your fingers will turn green. Your skin will turn green because it's the reaction. It's like a chemical reaction, basically. Not trying to get too sciencey on you guys, but one thing I love about them is they don't have that. They have only the finest metals. They use only sterling silver, 18 karat gold over sterling silver. They also offer 18 karat solid gold. So with that being said, you get the highest quality of jewelry. You can wear it 24/7 because of how high grade the metal is. It's just amazing. So that's one thing I really like, because I always forget to take my jewelry off, like when I'm showering, and then I'm in the shower and I'm like, crap, my necklace is still on, or my earrings are in, or you know. And you don't have to worry about that when you're like trying to just get clean, you know. You don't have to worry about those things. So that's one thing that I also like. Also, the quality of their chains. Have you ever had like a necklace where you like barely tugged on it and then it pops? Like it's broken? Well, with them, their chains withstand up to, I think it was 6 pounds of force, which is really great because if you're accidentally catching your hand on your necklace or your bracelet, it won't break because unless you're going crazy. But it withstands 6 pounds, which is really great. I don't know any other company that can withstand that much force. So that's another reason that I really love this company. Another thing that I really love is how adjustable their bracelets and necklaces are. So say that you wanted to like layer your necklaces, you could, they have like different like lengths that you can do that with, which I know a lot of companies have that, but with this good quality of chain, that's very rare to find. So love that. You can customize everything. I am super excited to unbox this. Also, they're a US company, so that's really important to me as well. I love shopping like local or like within the US. They're located in Brooklyn, New York, which is really awesome. One thing that I really love about the company as well is that they make meaningful jewelry. So girls, guys, anyone watching this, you can get something special for your mom or your girlfriend or your wife. And when I'm like jewelry shopping, I don't want something cheap and that's gonna like get nasty and like chip away or degrade or just get gross over time. I want something that's gonna last me for a while. So that's another reason that I really love the company. On top of everything else, I told you there's like 1,000 reasons. Well, on top of everything else, that's one of them. Another thing that is really awesome about the company as well is that they make everything in their studios. I'm assuming that would be in Brooklyn, New York, which I think that's really cool too. I will be linking their website down below if you guys are in the market for some gifts. I know Christmas is coming up. I'm thinking they might be having some Black Friday sales. I don't know, but I'd be shocked if not. Maybe Cyber Monday sales, so keep an eye on their website for that if you guys are looking to get more discounts. I'm not sure if they do Black Friday, but I would think so because a lot of stores do. Also, a disclaimer, I wanted to like let you guys know that they did send me these things. However, my opinion is completely my own, and this is a fully honest review. I'm not getting paid to do this. I am just gonna simply tell you guys how I feel and what I think of the quality of the jewelry. So, okay, so normal box. I had pre-cut the tape because I struggle with packages, so I just have to help myself out every now and then. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm gonna make sure that you guys can see this. Okay. Hello, I love nothing more than pink, and this beautiful light pink is gorgeous. So there's their Instagram handle, the @Rellery official, and then hashtag my Rellery. That's really cool. Keep shining. I love that. They also included a little card in here, and it says, "Hi Amanda, hope you love these. Can't wait to see you style them. Enjoy." This is so beautiful. And it has their logo. It has their logo on the paper too, which is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. They look like pink Tiffany boxes. And they labeled them for me. That's so nice. How gorgeous is this box? I don't even want to open it. They're beautiful. This feels fancy. I feel like I'm getting so pampered. Like, this is crazy. They let me pick out 4 items, and I customized all of them, and I am just, oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Like, I don't even want to open them because the boxes are so pretty. I'm going to do the earrings first. Okay, so these are the earrings. And basically when I saw these, I kind of just wanted a basic everyday earring, and I think these are going to be amazing. Oh my gosh. Guys, this feels so nice and expensive, and you can tell that it's so thought out. The box is magnetic. Oh my goodness. A more personal approach to jewelry. And this just talks about all the metals. Oh, just like more about their company. Oh my gosh. Okay. How gorgeous is this? Do you guys see this? It is a cute little suede bag, and it has their logo on it. I love that. Okay, so then I'm guessing this is where I'm going to be storing my earrings when I'm not using them. This is such a nice box. It has all the cushions. You guys, this is going to be such a nice gift for like sisters, moms, anyone who loves jewelry. This is beautiful. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Hoping you guys can. Okay, is it weird if I just like start putting this stuff on now? because I think I'm gonna, because like how gorgeous. Okay. I love earrings so much. If anyone knows me, they know that I love a good earring. And I think these hoops are the perfect size for like an everyday wear. My ears get really red when I like touch them, so sorry if they get kind of red. But I think that these hoops make a statement without like screaming at you like, whoa, I'm wearing hoops. Like, this is just like a very subtle, very classy hoop. And I have been looking for a classy hoop like this for so long. So thank you, Rellery. And it's not even heavy. Like, it feels so nice, you guys. I'm just like, I'm just shocked. I'm shocked. Okay, so far so good. Let me pop this one in. Gorgeous. So one of my favorite things in the winter time is getting like a really chunky knit, like turtleneck, big chunky turtleneck, and then pairing it with hoops and having your hair up in a ponytail or up in a bun, and then just rocking your big chunky sweater and your gorgeous classy hoops. And that's what I'm going to do with these. I am so excited to show these off. I know I'm going to get a ton of compliments on these because these are seriously so nice. I'm just so excited. I love these. And it doesn't feel like I'm even wearing anything. Like, they feel so light. Not so light, like, they feel expensive, but I expected them to kind of weigh down a little bit, and they don't. So if you guys have, and my ears are kind of like sensitive, so I'll know right off the bat if it's like not good for me or not. My ears are just red because I touched them. Anytime I like touch my ears at all, they just get kind of like red. But these feel amazing. So far so good. Okay, so I thought it'd be a little bit more fun. They had like labeled the boxes for me, but I feel like it'd be a little bit more fun to kind of just be surprised. So I took the tapes off, I mixed them up. So we're gonna open another one. Okay, so let's see. I'm just obsessed with these boxes. Like, these are so nice, such high quality, so much thought put into one little thing. I just get so excited. Oh, I like how that one was like folded. Oh, this is a ring. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So for this ring, I'm obsessed with gold. So I actually got this one in solid gold. Try to show you guys. Actually, here, it'd probably be easier to see it if I just kept it in the thing. So for this one, I kind of wanted to do a tribute to my dogs. I'm hoping you guys can see the engraving on there. I love how it's like the sweetest, most dainty engraving. But this is one of the bar rings, and I got my dogs' names, Mocha and Sophia. Oh, and I got heart between the names. So it's Mocha, Heart, Sophia. I'm hoping you guys can see it. But I got it in gold because gold is my absolute favorite. And I got it in a 7.5 so that I could put it right on this finger right here. I don't like own a middle finger ring, so I thought this would be such a cute touch, and it seriously fits perfect. So cute. And then I also, so 7.5 actually, it fits 3 of my fingers, so I could also put it on my pointer finger, and then I could also put it on my middle finger, or sorry, on my thumb. And I love thumb rings. Like, I am like obsessed with thumb rings, so I love this. This looks so nice. This is beautiful. This is the most beautiful gold. It's not too yellowy. It's like gorgeous. Oh, it says Mocha and Sophia. It's my dogs. I'm just like so happy that, like, I don't know, like I know that I picked these things out, but like actually seeing them and like having them on me, I just feel, I don't know, it's like a really good feeling. So okay, I'm gonna keep this on. Okay, so here's another one. God, this is like Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. I just love it. Okay, what's this one? Oh my gosh. Okay, so for this one, it wasn't actually, I'll actually try to show you guys in the box. So it actually wasn't an option to do Roman numerals. I mean, you could do whatever you wanted, but I had messaged them personally asking if we could get Roman numerals. So this is the year that my husband and I got married. I thought this was so sweet. I love this look. It like, it has like a flat like bar area, but then it's like thin and skinny. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like thin and skinny, and it has my Roman numerals for my wedding date on it. This is probably the one that I will wear on my middle finger. My fingers are like really puffy and swollen right now because I had a lot of salt today, but do that. And I could also do it on this finger too because I got 7.5. So how gorgeous. It's just, oh my gosh. This is the coolest thing. This is so cool. So gorgeous. This is something that I will keep forever. I mean, all of these things. That's gorgeous. Love that. And then I could also do it on my thumb. I love how dainty this one is. If you didn't want something as thick as this, oops. I love how dainty this one is, because if you didn't want something so like thick like this one, you could easily just do this. So cute. I love this. Okay, lastly, we have this one. I know what this one is now by elimination, but so this is a necklace. Oh my gosh. So for this one, I actually got my initials on it. Got my initials A, C, and lowercase. I think this is so beautiful, so dainty. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Okay, well, of course I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so here it is. So this one's really cool because it's actually like a wrap necklace. So I should probably put it on the right direction, huh? So this is kind of how this one is supposed to be worn. I loved how delicate and like dainty this was. This was just so beautiful, and it's such a statement. All of these things are such statement pieces, and I think it's just so gorgeous. And I love that it has my initials on it because that makes it personal to me, and that's something that I think is really great. And it doesn't feel like tight around my neck or anything. Like, it's like the perfect like length and everything. Okay, so I am just like blown away. Oh, I have both these on my both these on the same finger. Okay, so far no green. This will not turn my fingers green because it is just made with the best quality, the best materials, the best precious metals. So I'm really excited about that. I don't have to worry about getting it wet or washing my hands or any of these things because it's not going to tarnish. But like I mentioned, these are great gift ideas. It feels so good to get a personalized item because not only does it make you feel special and it just makes you like light up, but it's nice because the person who gifted it is thinking about you and like what's special and what's important to you in your life. So I feel like this is a really great affordable gift for Christmas. I will link all these things, everything, earrings, everything down below. Shop away. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed my Rellery unboxing. I certainly did. I cannot wait to like flaunt all my new jewelry. And the fun part is that it looks really expensive, but it's actually really affordable. And that's what my channel is about, affordable fashion. So I wanted to share the latest with you guys. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Join the fam. I post like twice a week, if not every Monday for sure. And like this video if it's one of your favorites. And thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.